To order a business card, select Order Branded Items, then click on the business card at the top of the screen. Next you will be able to make a selection from a number of templates, depending on your department. For demonstration purposes, we will select the Boulder Option 1 Gold template. Clicking a template will take you to the information entry screen. Enter the requested information in each of the headers. There is guiding text underneath each header. When you have finished entering the information, click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. You will then see a proof of the card, with the information you entered. Please check the information carefully. You can close this window by clicking on the X in the upper right corner. The next screen shows the information you entered, and there are check boxes to approve the text and the digital proof. Check these and click Continue to move forward, or click back if you need to make any changes. On the next page you will give the order a name. If ordering cards for someone else, it might be helpful to use their name on the order. Choose your department and speed type, or you can pay with a credit card or P-card. Select a quantity. List any special instructions, such as rush order, etc. Select a due date and delivery method, then click on Continue to finish up the order. On the next screen, you are able to once again review the information you entered. If you are ready to place the order, click Finish. Your order is on its way to us, and you will get a confirmation email.